or non-veg?
Glowing skin. How to cure diabetes?
Easy to care or not?
Sugar or jaggery? I don't have jaggery.
Do you know what is healthy and what is not? What is natural and what is not? ये खाओ, ये मत खाओ, ये करो, ये मत करो. Confused, right?
Don't eat processed foods as it has chemicals.
But raw foods have pesticides. That's why we eat only organic.
But organic is too costly, yaar.
All are claiming their products to be organic. But isn't organic a bit heavy on our pockets? And then there are so many people giving us so many advices about a healthy lifestyle all the time.
I really want to lose weight. What should I do?
बेटा योगा से ही होगा.
Bro, go for gymming.
Think about giving a try to the keto diet.
Healthy food is too boring, man.
As we think about all these questions about a healthy lifestyle, we also fall sick in the process and end up spending money on hospitals and medicines and also bearing the side effects of the medicines. But even after doing all this, are we really sure if we are still healthy or not? In the fast-moving, busy lives, we hardly get time to take care of ourselves and live a healthy lifestyle. So we created Wellcure, India's first natural healing mobile app that helps you live a healthy lifestyle in a very simple and natural way. From the Wellcure app, you get to learn about the body's self-healing powers and what nature has designed for our good health. You get access to natural healing blogs, natural healing success stories, e-learning courses, health and detox events, and much more. Even after you learn about the body's dynamics, you will still have a lot of questions regarding your day-to-day health. Through Wellcure, you get access to a wide network of natural healing practitioners who are just a click away. Not only do they answer your queries, they also suggest ways to support your body naturally. Do you know healthy food can be tasty too? Through the Wellcure app, you can learn simple self-care hacks and recipes which are natural ingredients based, very easy to make and delicious. You can make them amidst your daily busy routines and serve them to your entire family. Isn't it great? With the Wellcure app, you can achieve all of this. So take your first step towards a healthy and natural lifestyle, reducing your dependence on medicines and disease. After all, nothing tastes as good as healthy life. Download the Wellcure app and get started on your health journey today.